Another thing that happened over the last week is starters and alternators are such a widespread problem. We get phone calls upon phone calls stating, I've bought a starter, but it doesn't work on the ring gear or the flywheel or vice reverse. There are changes that guys have made to keep their product, their own product or OEM spec. I'm going to talk about two of them. It's going to be the Goloska part and then the normal Deutz part. They look the same, but they are not actually. The sizes are different and the amounts of teeth on them are different. So if you put a Chinese starter that's a copy of the Deutz, or you put something else, or a Deutz starter or a Bosch on that specific ring gear, it's not going to work because the bendix is different, the pitch is different on where it's located. Also, same with the Goloska, they've changed their things to match their engines so that they'll be their own OEM.